Hi and welcome to REHASENSE Academy. Today we will show you how to start your PAWS and use the brakes and the traction control. Get into position by placing your wheelchair snugly into the clamps. Push the release lever and lift by pushing the handle up and forwards. Secure the safety latch by turning the knob. When engaged, you cannot release the lifting mechanism by mistake. Both brake handles work as parking brakes as well. To release, just press the handles until the stops are released. To start, turn on the battery by pushing the button showed. Push the power button on the handlebar and keep it pressed until the display is lit. An advice is to always start in gear 1 and to engage the traction control to prevent from spinning. After you have started, you can turn off the traction control and use the gears. There are two ways of using the brakes. Press the brake handles to activate the disc brake. But you can also use the electronic motor brake. To use it, just let go of the throttle and push the brake button. Keep it pressed until you have reached your desired speed. When you have finished your chore, use the parking brakes and turn off the power. Deactivate the safety latch by pulling out and rotate. Press the release lever and lift down, and now you can release the clamps and separate the PAWS from the wheelchair.